Hey everyone, welcome to this explainer. Today, we're jumping straight into a core lesson from the Nova English Academy all about nouns. We're going to explore exactly why these little guys are, quite literally, the fundamental building blocks of the entire English language.
Okay, let's dive into this. So, what exactly is a noun? Well, simply put, it's a word that names a person, a place, an animal, a thing, or an idea. Think of these like the essential bricks you'd need before you can even think about building a house. You absolutely cannot construct a meaningful English sentence without them. They're basically the anchor points of all our communication.
Now, what's really fascinating about this is how it takes those kind of abstract categories and just grounds them in our everyday reality. It literally covers almost everything in our universe. We've got a person, right, like a teacher, a place, like a school, an animal, like a dog, a thing, like a book, and yeah, even an idea, like love. Pretty much every single physical object you can see or touch, plus the internal concepts you feel, they all fall into one of these classifications. It's actually mind-blowing when you realize the whole shebang of human experience can be categorized into just these 5 simple ideas.
All right, let's see this in practice. Take the sentence, "The girl is reading a book." So looking at those words, which ones are acting as our foundational anchors?
And this brilliantly illustrates exactly how these words function. Our nouns here are girl and book. Girl represents our person, and book is our thing. I mean, think about it. Without these two anchor words, if we just walked up to someone and said, "The is reading a," the sentence makes absolutely zero sense, right? The nouns are what give the sentence its entire core meaning.
Let's build on that with a second example. The cat is sleeping on the chair. Where are our anchor words here? You probably spotted them right away. Cat and chair. The cat is our animal, and the chair is the thing. Notice how an animal and a physical object are completely anchoring the meaning of this entire scene. You can immediately picture it in your head, precisely because those nouns provide the image. Okay, just one more quick example before we move on. We visited the park on Sunday. Can you spot the key location word? If you guessed park, you hit the nail on the head. Park represents a place, providing the whole destination for the action. We needed a location for the sentence to make sense, and that noun provides it perfectly. All right, you've seen the mechanics, so now it's your turn for a quick practice round. Time to put on your grammar detective hat. Do you think you can find the nouns in the next sentence? The boy kicked the ball in the garden. Now, I'm going to give you 5 seconds to identify the person, the place, or the thing. Ready? Go. Okay, time's up. Did you get them? If you found boy, ball, and garden, awesome job. You are spot on. Boy is the person, ball is the thing, and garden is the place. It's so cool to see how those 3 distinct nouns work perfectly together to build the entire structure and the action of the sentence. All right, let's do a super quick recap to really lock this in. So the crucial point is this: a noun names a person, a place, an animal, a thing, or an idea. The Nova English Academy really emphasizes this for a very specific reason. When you can easily identify nouns, you are going to find it so much easier to build correct, confident English sentences. It's literally the master key that unlocks the rest of the language for you. To wrap things up today, we're leaving you with the motto of the Nova English Academy: learn English, build your future. Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer. Now, before you go, I want to leave you with a quick challenge. Right now, as soon as this is over, just look around the room you're sitting in and try to name 5 nouns you can clearly see. If you keep practicing this every single day, I promise your English is going to improve step by step. But hey, here's a final thought to keep you wondering until next time. If nouns are the building blocks of absolutely everything we see, touch, and experience, how many brand new nouns are being created in the world this very second that we haven't even named yet? Pretty wild to think about, right? Keep looking around, keep learning, and I'll see you next time.